take it. Oh yeah, didn't do it then. The battery's going to the problem. You don't need to try and all that D-bar. That D-bar is probably... I don't know what it was, but I have probably messing. I unplugged that battery backup on this battery. Still got the same message. Actually, it's going to go with it. Go off. Yeah. Real flat fin.
What are you showing out there?
Don't do that, he'll try it and end up crashing.
Watch me, I go up in a circle and land. I don't like that.
It tries to. Not enough elevator.
No.
Got this F-22 or F-15, whatever it is, the F-15 does a better flat speed than I haven't really, I attempted it once a mile. It's still pretty good. I love to see it.
Yeah, I noticed you said
Really good. Hell, they're 105. I about choked when I saw the price. Really nice steady. Frank. Slow flight. I tested the two slow. No time, the first time I played golf, I was going to drop it in. I mean, I've been tripping. Drop it in one time, big summer started dropping it all the rest. That's rough. That even F's and this is. This is like what's getting. And it was easy to lean. It just leaned the bubble. Flew fantastic. Looked great. Real scale. A lot more scale than Frank's speed. Full top tip. Frank didn't have a power.
Nice.
Air brakes.